How to reset on Roku TV with black screen. Unplug the TV from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. If it doesn't work, you can reset using remote. With the TV powered on, even with a black screen, press the home button 5 times, then up arrow 1 time, rewind 2 times, fast forward 2 times. This sequence will restart your Roku TV and may resolve the black screen issue. You can also find a reset button on your TV. It is usually a small pinhole button located on the back or side of the TV. Using a paper clip or similar object, press and hold the reset button for at least 20 seconds. Release the button after 20 seconds. The TV should reboot and perform a factory reset. Thanks for watching.